Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Korean face mask for glowing and brighter skin. What we will need is rice powder or rice flour and milk, or you can use plain yogurt. Step 1. Grind a handful of uncooked rice into a fine powder. You can use coffee grinder or a blender to do this, or you can buy the ground rice at your local supermarket. Step 2. Add some milk to the rice powder, enough to make it into a paste. Step 3. Apply this paste over your face and neck. Leave for 20 to 13 minutes. Step 4. Wash the mask off with some warm water and finish it off with cold water to close your pores. Do this consistently, at least 2 to 3 times a week, and you should see your skin lighten after a month or 2. Rice paste will lead to not only fairer skin, but also a smoother complexion with fewer wrinkles. You may be wondering why rice powder is good for your skin. Rice powder or rice flour is superb for our skin. Have you ever used rice powder to enhance your beauty? It's very straightforward and easy to use. Korean women use rice powder in their beauty routine and their skin remains fresh and smooth despite using heavy makeup. If we examine the benefits of rice powder, then it is a natural anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, removes suntan and treats blemishes, pigmentation and acne. It also makes your skin tone naturally fair and whiter. It is the rich source of vitamin B that grows new cells and slows down the aging process. Also protects your skin from the sun. It controls oil properly and makes skin looks fresher. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next one.